All right, here's subnet masking. Okay, so let's see you have a couple computers here. You've got um, 10.1.1 dot anything over here, 10.1.2 dot anything over here. You have a router here, 10.1.1.1, router here, 10.1.2.1. A subnet mask here only tells you how many of these machines, like let's say you're this machine right here. A subnet mask is needed to tell you how many computers this computer can just go directly to without having to go through a router. A router is otherwise known as a default gateway. Basically, let's just say this machine right here is set up with a mask of 255.255.255.0. That means that anything on the outside here, anything, so 10.1.1 anything, it's going to be able to try to go directly to. So 10.1.1.2, 1.3, 1.4, it's going to go and strike out and try to go and hit it directly. Anything outside of that last octet, in this case, it's going to say, I can't hit you directly. I'm going to have to go via my default gateway, which is this guy right here. So if it said, I'm going to try to hit 10.1.2.1, that's going to be outside of this mask. So it's going to say, okay, I need to go and hit this machine. I need to go out and go somewhere else out on the internet to go and hit it. If you said, instead of 255.255, and you just said 0, 0, then that means that anything, 10.1, anything, anything, it's going to try to hit directly. And in this case, and in this network, it would not work. It would say, okay, let's try to hit 10.1.2.2, and it'd say, let's try to go and hit it directly. It would strike out, it would broadcast out trying to hit it directly, and it can't. The only machines directly on its network are these boxes right here. So in this case, your network would be busted to try to reach anything over here. It would still work for any of these boxes here, but it would be busted for any of these boxes over there, unless you set a proper mask, which in this case would be 255.255.255.0. And all of these boxes, including the router, would have that same subnet mask, if that makes sense.